can capture the glory of the fireworks.
Baboon King is in the lead!
That first round was just playing around. Watch as I perform with my secret pyrotechnic weapon.
You're gonna have to do better if you want to win, Banana Brain.
I was just warming up. I'm the best! I'm best!
Oh dear, we can't let HighRoller win! We have to save the hostages!
Time for the final round!
Hey, put me down!
Do any of you know how to make really amazing fireworks? Lin Chung, you're an artist.
You don't need Lin Chung. My eyeballs can give you all the fireworks you need.